channel. It's me, Binod Shrestha. You are watching the Excellent Education channel, and in this channel you will be getting a lots of lectures related to the mathematics. Now in this tutorial we will be talking about the population growth. Okay, so our topic today is population growth. Now in population growth I wrote the plus minus sign here because population growth, it doesn't mean that there is only increase in populations. Sometimes there is decrease in populations also. So plus means increase and minus means decrease. Okay. So in populations growth, we have a very simple formula here. Now see, this is Pt equals to P1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Okay. Now population growth. Now here plus sign stands for positive growth. So there is growth, and minus sign. Now see, if there is decrease in populations, so you can use the formula just minus here. If there is growth, plus, and if there is decrease, minus. Okay, decrease stands for the decrease in population. Now here populations, now formula Pt equals to P1 plus R by 100 whole power T. It seems like familiar. It seems like familiar formula. Yes, you have already read that formula. The formula is compound amount. Compound amount equals to P1 plus R by 100 whole power T. Now see, this is the same formula. Now in the right hand side you see they are same. And the concept is also same. And so I am not going to derive this formula here because this I have already derived in my previous lecture. If you have confusions, you can switch on this previous video. So here you see, this is compound amount equals to P1 plus R by 100 power T. Here Pt, this compound amount is replaced by Pt here. Compound amount means what? It is the final sum. Yeah, at the end of the year, the final sum, this is compound amount. So here Pt is also means it is the final population. The final population. And here P stands for the initial sum. The first principle, initial sum. Okay, and here P means the initial population, and others R means same. Yeah, this is rate and T is also time. So remember, this is the final population, this is previous population, or this is previous population. R is rate, time is T. So this is simple written here. P is previous population, final populations, time, and rate. And rate, there will be growth or there is decrease. If there is growth, it is positive. If there is decrease, this is negative. Now see, look at here. Population increase, it is not only because of the birth. There are other factors also. The other factor is what? This is migration. Yeah, migration also causes the decrease in population and increase in populations. Yeah, migration means if the people's moving from one place to another. This is called migration. So if the populations are coming from other places to the one place, this causes increase in populations. For example, let's suppose that there are some peoples in Kathmandu, and from other places, if some peoples coming in Kathmandu, then it is called in-migration. It causes the increase in population. So it is called M-in. So I wrote here, in migration we write M-in. Okay. Now see, if the population, let's say some peoples from Kathmandu is moving outside and they are migrated outside, they are moving outside there. So this causes the decrease in population. So we call it migration out. And there are other causes like death, which also cause this is decrease in populations. So overall, there are lots of factors that affects in the population growth. So in general, our formula can be written as, now see, in general our formula can be written as Pt equals to P1 plus R by 100 whole power T. This is as it is here. But what are the other factors? The other factors is migration in. When there is in migration, it increases the population. So there is plus M in. And there is migration out. It causes decrease in population. So we should write minus M out. And death also decrease the population. So minus death. So this is the general formula. And it's not necessary to use this formula at all the time. Yeah, when these factors are given in a question, then only at the time you use this formula, otherwise not. And in formula, if migration in is given, then you just avoid these two, you use this formula. If there is migration in and migration out is given, so you use up to here your formula. Yeah, you can just use up to here, you avoid this So up to here there is formula. If all these three factors are given, then use big for the whole, yeah, jumbo formula. If these all are not given, then it uses the simple formula, and most of our questions will be, yeah, doing with the help of this formula. Okay, this is, and there is another one. The another one is what, if there are three rates are given, or more than three rates, or two rates, if more than one rates are given, like R1, R2, R3, and dot dot dot, and in, like, if three rates are given, they say 3 consecutive years, like in first year this much rate, in second year this much rate, and in third year this much rate, yeah, and so on. If this, like, different rates are given with the different consecutive years, like first year, second year, third year, then your formula reduces to this one. This is Pt equals to P 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100, and here whole power t means this is 1, this is 1, 1, so whole, this formula reduces to 2. You no need to write here t, because all t is 1, 1, 1. Okay. Okay, now let's discuss in this formula in more details. Yeah. Now mostly students, they are getting confusion is with this Pt and P. Yeah, they are having problems on distinguishing between P and Pt. They don't know what is P and what is Pt. Now let me just tell you in detail. Now, as I suppose your Pt is final or future population. Okay, final or future, and P means initial, or let's say previous. Better, yeah? Rather than saying initial, let me say previous. It is previous population. Okay, and other rate and time, so no one has confusion there. Now see, let's clear with the example here. The population of Kathmandu was 50 lakhs in 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago, the population of Kathmandu was 50 lakhs. Now its population is 60 lakhs. Now from here you can easily identify which one is previous population and which one is final population. Of course, 5 years ago was previous, and now this is final population. So here this is 50 lakhs is P, and this one is PT. You understood? Now see here. Now the population of Kathmandu 5 years ago was this. Ago one is previous. So of course this is P, and this was now. Yeah, comparing to the this is previous one. This is the final population. So this is PT. Now let's talk about the second example. The present population of a town is 50 lakhs. The present population of a town is 50 lakhs. And after 2 years, its population will be 60 lakhs. Now see, after 2 years, its population is 60 lakhs. Now here, which one is P and which one is PT? Of course, now see, in this case, this is the present, and this is future. This is future, and easily you can guess the present and future. The future is the final one, and present is the previous one. So this is P and this is PT. Okay, this is P and this is PT. Now with this example, I guess you have understood this final population and previous. Hope you have understood my lecture. Thank you for watching my video. If you want the other more videos in your upcoming days, please subscribe my channels, and don't forget to click in the bell button so that you will get the notifications of every upcoming videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you have any comments, please keep comments on the comment box. Thank you once again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.